Okay, now that I have my 5 or 6 tabs, now you're ready to start putting things in those tabs. So you need to, I'm just going to go to livebinders.com again, and I want to go down here to Tools, down the lower left, and this Livebinder It bookmarklet. This is important. It's add Livebinder It to your browser toolbar so you can add binders while you browse. So you're going to click on that, and then what you're going to do is you are just going to simply drag this link right here to your bookmark bar. So I'm just going to click and drag it right up here, and there it is. Now you'll see that I'm on a Chrome browser, obviously, and my bookmark bar is shown. So if you cannot see this gray band right here, make sure you go up to these 3 little lines, go down to bookmarks, and then show bookmark bar, and make sure that's there. So now that that's on my browser, I can, it'll stay there with anywhere that I go. So I'm just going to pull this out and go to Google to start my searching for the things that go in here. So I know under historical events, I can just do historical events in Missouri. So if I wanted events, actually I want to go here, timeline of important events in Missouri history. So if I wanted to choose one off of here, or if I just want this one, and that's totally fine, I can go, I'm on the site, I can go right here to Livebinder It, click on that, and then it's going to ask me what I want my tab title to be. Like, I'm going to keep this URL the same, what I want my tab title to be. Okay, and actually this is going to go on a sub-tab. So here is my State History Livebinder that I am working in. I want to place the link as not a main tab, but a sub-tab. So once I choose that, it's going to ask me which one do I want it under, and I want it under historical events. But I want, I don't want my tab to be all that. I'm just going to put timeline of important events, and then I'm going to click add to binder, and it'll say wait while we make sure that it is really a valid URL. Okay, and then you can close that. Now when I go back over here to my binder, if I will actually refresh the binder, it will have my tab right there, what I had. Okay, so you need 5 of these within every single one of these. So let's do one more so you can see. So I'm going to do famous Missourians. Well, I actually know that Walt Disney is from Missouri. So I'm going to go here and look at biography, which is a really good website. Okay, so here's the information about Walt Disney that I might want to use. I'm going to go right here, Livebinder It. I'm going to see, I don't want all of this on my sub-tab because that's way too long. I'm just going to put Walt Disney. I have the Livebinder. I have a whole bunch of Livebinders, but it's already chosen for me, and then I want it as a sub-tab under famous people, and then add to binder. Okay, and then you can close it and go back.
Worried shampooing might damage your hair? Don't be.
Sorry about that. That was funny. So under famous people now, I have Walt Disney. So don't forget you need 6 things under, or 5 things under each of your 6 tabs. One more thing I'm going to show you how to do is that on this project, on 10 of these things, you actually need to have,
Worried
I'm going to do it again. You are going to need to have activity that goes with your chosen website. So you are actually going to need to write a little activity out to the side, and you're going to have to change your tab to do that. So after you have your tab in your Livebinder, you're going to click on this little arrow, and you are going to actually, I'm sorry, that was wrong. Tab settings up here. So on this tab, you still have to be clicked on it, but you are going to go down here to set current tab text layout, and you want to be able to write something next to the media. So we're going to do it right here. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, it just needs to be one of these down here that has media and text. So I'm going to X out of that. Now it's actually going to let me type right here. So I could say, with this resource, my students would create a physical timeline of Missouri history events by painting pictures and ordering them on the wall. Okay, very simple. I just thought of that off the top of my head. Now, when you go back to that, it says your activity. Now, you don't have to do an activity on each one of these. You just have to do 10 activities somewhere throughout your binder, okay? So it's easy to, you know, disperse them throughout. But after you get your sub tab, then go back into your activities. And that's it.